I'm trying to get into reading lately and build a consistent habit. So I had these two books sitting on my shelf for more than 2 years. My brother got them for me. Though I really had good intention of completing them, I don't know why I didn't. I selected these books, yet I did not finish them. But I did start this book and finished a few pages, and then I don't know why I lost interest. I really want to build a consistent reading habit. That way, at least I can stop doom scrolling and stay away from spending a lot of time on social media. Also, I read at least 2 pages of Quran every single day, and I'm being consistent on this because once I finish reading, I feel at peace and content. I don't know, I feel like I have achieved something big and it makes me feel really happy. I finally finished reading this book, so I liked it. The cover was the main reason I got the book. The cat looks so cute, right? Initially, I thought that it was a story about a cat and its pet parent, but turns out there are 4 to 5 cats. It has the cat's point of view as well as the human's point of view. Um, it was fun. I enjoyed it, but I really got confused with the names though. Finally, I finished this. Now I can tell my brother that, bro, I finished it. Next, I'm going to read this book. So I haven't touched it at all. I'm planning to finish this and maybe order a few more books. So I'm really interested in young adult romance. I've been watching so many YouTube videos for good suggestions. Most of them suggested the book better than the movies. So I'm gonna get that one for sure. And I'll see what else. I just came to know that this book has the first and the second part combined. So before the coffee gets cold, and this from Tales from the Cafe. I finished reading 2 chapters from the book Before the Coffee Gets Cold. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next. Until then, take care. Bye bye.